A large fire on the only crossing between the occupied Crimean Peninsula and Russia was caused by a lorry explosion. The explosion on the road section then led to oil tankers on the rail section catching fire, with the road then collapsing. Crimea was annexed in 2014 by Russia, which now uses the Kerch bridge to move military equipment into Ukraine. The bridge spans the Kerch Strait, which connects the Black Sea to the Sea of Azov, on which sit key Ukrainian ports, including Mariupol. Russian President Vladimir Putin has been briefed about the emergency on the bridge and has ordered a government inquiry, Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said in comments quoted by Interfax news agency. President Putin unveiled the bridge in 2018, bringing sanctions and a deterioration in ties with the West. In September, Russia announced the annexation of the provinces of Donetsk, Luhansk, Kherson and Zaporizhzhia after staging referendums that Kiev and the West say were phony exercises held at gunpoint.